Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I figured it out. I know what I did wrong. When I was doing my record videos, I changed the bit rate, but I changed the bit rate in the wrong place. So I changed it only in the streaming area, not in the recording area. So I was trying to send 10,000. I was trying to double the bit rate, and YouTube don't like that. And so I was smashing the bit rate on YouTube. And that's why it happened this morning. That's why it happened today. I figured it out. So I had to sit with my computer, sit with myself, sit with my thoughts, and make it right. All right. And I did. All right. I also made you a bunch of gains today. So, hey, we made gains, baby. Let's go. If you were with me earlier this morning, let's see what this handsome guy had to say about the charts earlier today. What did that guy say? That guy with them blue eyes. Let's take a look at what's happening here in the charts. May God bless each and every one of you for being here, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Hey, shout out to Crypto Billy in the house. God bless your grandson. God bless your life. God bless you and your family and everything going on, man. Blessings on blessings. Shout out to everybody that helps cryptocurrency. These guys, man. Hoppy will be epic. Must see. Yo, Hoppy's going to be pretty big. And we've already seen what Hoppy's been doing. It's been making massive gains, but only time will tell. If you view my channel and you go to my live stream and you check out what was happening when I was live today. Oh my God, I was live earlier today, 10 hours ago. I talked about a long to the upside for Bitcoin, all right? And I talked about a breakout to the upside. I'll see you tonight. There'll be no lag, I promise you. And I talked about a move all the way up here to, and there was a lag, see, but I came back better, so. And I talked about going to 58,500. This was my measured move. I told you I was in the long. I took that long, and we banged on them to the upside. So shout out to anyone that jumped on in. I was up 168% of the long at 58,228 on that bang, 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 baby. We got in at 56,969. We called that $2,000 pump basically for Bitcoin. And if you're in my trading group, you would have had it too as well. But I made sure, you saw exactly what I saw, and I talked about it. I went over it, and what I discussed was pretty awesome. It's my system yet again of how I use the 200. All right. Last night I did see a short, didn't play out, cut it off, ended up entering the long, but the 30-minute was likely to pump up to the 200 SMA. Whenever the moving averages get tight on the simple, we pump up to the yellow line. I've seen it thousands of times in my life. At this point, it's just like a guarantee. So I trade it like it's guaranteed to happen. And so let's take you back in time and let's talk about my system, how I saw this happening, and why I picked the 30-minute time frame. I pick all different time frames, all different days. Some days I'm on the 7, some days I'm on the 30, some days I'm on the 1 hour, some days I'm on the... Yeah, the music hit like that. I hit it with the music. Dang. But so look, tight moving averages, likely going to make the gap up to the 200 SMA. How did I know that? Because I know it. Once you break the 200 SMA, usually there's more pump coming. But once we got rejected here, I decided to take my profit. It was Saturday night. I was up pretty nice. I said, man, Sam, you made a lot of money while you were at the beach today with your family. Take those gains. And so I took the gains, and I was pretty happy about it. So, yeah. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. No, thank you. Big leg up for Bitcoin. My wife wrote big leg up for Bitcoin. My wife likes to talk her trading sauce now. She's awesome, man. A wonderful day at the beach today, though. I have to say, it was awesome, man. The kids had a blast. It was pretty hot, but we got through it. We had a blast. Good times to be had by all. Hung out with my sister. Then we had dinner. And I just, man, and then I came home to $400 in gains. And that was from a trade we had opened earlier this morning. I mean, it feels good, right? It feels good to make gains while you're at the beach. I'm just saying, I'm not even trying to be rude. I'm just talking about my life. If it sounds like I'm pumped, it's because that's my life, man. But hey, you live the life you create. So I created a life where I want to make money trading while I'm at the beach. And that's the life that I live. I show you, we were at the beach today. Let me bring that music down. I'm loving Florida, everybody, and I'm super excited with just sharing my Floridian life with you. And so that's what I've been doing. And I want to share more of it with you all the time. And what I want to share with you is that we can make money, we can love money It's okay to be in love with money. But today, look, I'm sitting there on the beach.
We're here vibing on the beach this morning. I showed you the Bitcoin was inside of a triangle getting tight. I said the 30-minute wanted to move to the 200 SMA.
Yep.
I gave you the trade. The trade banged on them. I made money on a Saturday while my feet are in the beach. My hands feel the breeze. My feet in the water. Look at this. Look at this water. It's turquoise, beautiful water. I'm here in Sarasota, Florida. This is the Gulf. I'm almost known as Turtle Beach, where the turtles like to come and get busy. But anyway, that's another story. We made gains. I made more money today.
And then my wife.
Than I did at my old job, getting ready to go to work, commuting to work, listening to my boss yell at me. It's a Saturday. I'm making gains 7 days a week. Cryptocurrency is 7 days a week. It doesn't stop.
Anyway, 7 days a week at the beach, pumping in 168% gains. And then when I got home, there was this awesome bouquet with a, a balloon. Wow, these smell amazing, huh? Oh my gosh. These are this is no joke. Really nice. And there's a little note here, and it says, to Sam and BB and family, congratulations on the birth of your daughter. I hope all is going well. Thank you for all that you do for the crypto community. All the best. Liam, Lisa, Marie, Poppy, Crypto Monster. Thank you so much. We really, really appreciate that. That's very, 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 very nice of you. Thank you so much. My goal is to trade in the forest, man. Hope your ear is feeling better. My ear feels so much better, 100%. I think today's the day where it just it's over. Yeah. Little sore from all the things, but it's done. Yeah, for sure. But at the beach with my family hanging out, I got them this little beach tent. I got the beach cart. I got it all. I was super excited, man, and I wanted to put all that stuff to work.
Crypto Lifer Doc.
So are we expecting more dump in the upcoming days? We're going to talk about that. We made one trade, but it doesn't mean that's the end. We got to find out what else is happening and what else is going down. So Germany reverses course and buys. This is so crazy. The German government has purchased 19,000 Bitcoin worth, reversing its recent sales. This move comes after the government previously sold off a significant amount, causing market volatility. The decision to buy back Bitcoin is seen by some as a strategic move to test the liquidity and stability of the Bitcoin markets, possibly the intention of adding it to their reserves. Following the example set by companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy, the purchase was made through major exchanges, including Kraken, Bitstamp, and Coinbase. This is 22 minutes ago, updated here. So you guys can't make this stuff up, right? But I thought they were selling. No, they're buying now. They buy it now. That's absolutely insane. So the bears who were selling are now buying. So I did not expect. Tell me you thought Germany was going to start buying Bitcoin. The German government, this is insane. They sold it to buy back cheaper. So insane, right? So okay. German bought back some Bitcoin. So people basically ruin their lives at the idea of German Mt. Gox selling. You can't make this up. They bought Bitcoin back. And this isn't a bottom signal. Nothing is. Oh my God. Oh man. Hey, I bought 10K of Bitcoin. I'm up already. That banged up to the upside, right? And CZ will be out soon, They'll probably let him out after 2 months of good behavior or something, right? Sam, my 7-day P&L is all green except for 1 day with a small loss. 120 gain in my account in 1 week. Thank you, brother. You taught me so much. I sincerely appreciate you. Rudy, man, we're making gains together, baby. I'm in the gain too. You're in the gain. We're all in the gains together, baby. And this is what it is to be in the gains. This is what's called having gainitis. All right? We got gainitis, and it's all over us. We can't get it off. All right? And where do we make all those gains? At MEXC. Go to MEXC.com. Check them out. Link in the description of this video. Zero spot taker fee. Zero spot. I bought 10K of Bitcoin. Didn't have to pay a penny. And very little spot on the future taker fee too as well. I mean, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. And that's where we're able to take those gains of 168% on MEXC. All right. And man, you got to always have your stuff right. Look, 168, 431. Bang, 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 right? Whoa, easy away. Whoa. Can you show us how to add the VRVP on MEXC if you have time? Sure, it's pretty simple. I always have time for you, man. If you're asking a question about about education, getting that knowledge, I always have time. I always have time for someone that wants to change their life through education and knowledge. Lifer Gainitis Cream works, baby. Shout out to Crypto Billy in the house. Crypto, did you take the trade, Billy? I feel like you did. You took the trade, you went out on the lake on the boat, and then you came home, you sold, and then you had some chicken, right? Or a steak. You probably had a steak. Sorry, I shouldn't disrespect you with the chicken. But damn, that was a beautiful trade made by the lifers. Unbelievable. And we wanted 58.8, but we said 58.5. We got to 58. Where was the high of that candle? We got to like 58, 496, 483. I called 58.5 earlier today. Come on, man. And I showed you the liquidity on Bookmap. We're going to get back into that and break that down too as well. Billy's going full turkey. Yeah. Green screen share this morning. Great screen share. Thank you, Barber Trader Joe. Yeah, and I'll put that out to everybody. VRVP on MEXC. PC only can get that on the Android app. Yeah. The Bitcoin coin M is bigger than 5K though. You can trade Bitcoin. I stick to trading Bitcoin and you get all the things you need. There's usually no restrictions when you're trading BTC. Can you tell me how to stop losing my profits? I have no self-control. I mean, come on, man. Here's a good idea. Start taking them out of the account and sending them somewhere else. How's that? You know what I mean? I think that's a good idea. Like once you're above a certain quota, you need to start taking the money out. All right? And you're yeah. Hola, Wolf. Shout out to Wolf. Shout out to Crypto Billy. David Digital. Shout out to Dave Digital in the house. Lifer, I made a design for a Sammy Cup and Handy shirt. How should I get about sending it to you? Send it to cryptolifers@gmail. Cryptolifers@gmail. What do I pay myself? You got to pay yourself with whatever you want. Shout out to Ray, man. I'm thinking about you a lot recently, Ray. Hope you're having a wonderful time, man. Ray Gutowski in the house, man. You're awesome, brother. One of the greatest people I've ever met, man. God bless you. Danny Setter's in the house. Danny, one of the first people to ever watch the live stream when I had like 100 people watching me. Danny Setter's holding it down. One of the first OG lifers ever. But Ray, God bless you and your family. God bless your kids, man. And thank you, man. I hope to see you down in Florida. We bought a new house, man. Everything is going well. A couple months, couple weeks to closing. Just some in and outs we got to tidy up, and then when the people leave, we get to take over property, and everything's gonna go well. The bull run kicks off when the want to scale. Yeah. I'm building 10 to 100. How much profit should anyone be taking? I mean, do whatever makes you happy. I bought some coins I didn't have when it dipped, and best decision I made. My new strategy in the future. I just want to be like Sam Price, killing it at the beach. Amen. Lifer Pro, do you think Bitcoin will go up? Have we bottomed? Cheers, bro. We're going to look at all that awesome stuff here and break it down. So I'm drunk off gains right now. I just took gains right about here when this started to come down. So, and I hit my trade of the day that I gave earlier this morning. So I was live this morning and said it was going to pump, and it pumped. So I feel pretty good about it, right? I am, hey. But again, it's one trade, Sam. It's a little bit. Calm down. Humble yourself. And let's start back off on the weekly and see what's happening here for Bitcoin and break it down. Shout out to everybody here. Thank you for coming in on this holiday weekend. I consider this a holiday weekend because the middle of the week you had the 4th on Thursday, and so it's just the weekend extends. This whole week is July 4th week, holiday week. Crypto is the best. I learn so much every day. The 200 EMA is a game changer. Shout out to you, man. Love you, Sam. Learn something new from you every day. Can you talk a bit about how you use the 21 in relation to the 200 in your strategy? Whenever the 21's too far away, I know price action's extended. It's that simple. And whenever price action's away from the 21, I know it's going to have to come back. Not necessarily where the 200, depending. It's more about the 21 and price action, but Can you look at TCAT on ton? Oh, you're giving us a new one. Shout out to Crypto Thorough. Appreciate you. Shout out to Rave Song Records in the house. Shout out to Third Ear Psychic Radio. Shout out to Amro Imara. Shout out to GF Burke. Shout out to Jenny Swanson. Love learning and all my amazing lifers. We love you. We thank you and we appreciate you all for being here. I mean, I made $400 at the beach today. What kind of life is that? That's an amazing life. All right? And so I'm high off life right now. I really am. I was with my kids all day. I was with my sister all day. I got my sister a present on the low on the way home because I was in such a good mood. And today's just one of those days where I just gave the waiter a nice tip, took my whole family out to dinner. You know what I mean? Just living the life, excited to be here with each and every one of you, and happy that we're making the gains together. All right. So I'm looking at this weekly chart, and we are looking for a bounce here for Bitcoin. Even if we're bullish, could we get a shoulder, a head, and a right? Ooh. Can we get a shoulder, a head, and a bit of a right shoulder to break us on out of this monotony and get us into this into some bullish action, right? Gotta treat yourself and your loved ones. Amen. How's baby Samira? Samira's doing amazing, man. You told us to take it easy this weekend, so I sat on my hands. I just played what I saw, man. You know what I mean? Hey, you can't, you can't do everything I tell you to do. You just got to do whatever you feel is comfortable. I made a small trade. I only put like $200 in the trade. It wasn't a lot, you know? So we're looking for a bounce here, right? You want to see if the weekly can close, back above. Basically, let's zoom in here. There's going to be a little bit of support or resistance right there at about 56 and right here at about 56 and right there where these two candles closed. That's definitely a weekly support. So let's zoom into that and look at that. Where these two candles closed, that's weekly support because its previous resistance becomes support. So we just got to close a weekly candle above that and we'll be all right. Right now, we're not doing that, right? We're right below it. So we got to get back above 58,200, and then there's a little bit of chop in these $56,000, $55,000 level. I'd like to see a bounce here for Bitcoin sooner than later. We take a look at the 3-day chart, and the 3-day says, wow, that's a bullish pin bar. I mean, that's a beautiful reversal candle. Is it going to last? I mean, let's hope. I've seen it before, and we didn't get anything out of that big reversal. We ended up eating it. So we could come up and eat more. We might come up and dump still. But it shows some signs of life for a possible bounce here for Bitcoin back to the top of the channel. Like I was saying today, are we in like a broadening falling wedge, like the duck? You look at the daily's in that duck, But we'll see. No guarantees, right? I want to see the inverted head and shoulder. Let's take a look at how the daily candle closed. And I'm just lightly doing some research as we gain some information. 56,628.79 cents. The high was 58,475. The low was 56,018 cents even. And the candle would close at 58,230.13 cents. Up $1,600 and 34 cents, up 2.83% on the day. Beautiful candle. And the daily getting a reversal on the stochastics. I'll also show you something. Did you see it? Do you see it? Is it me? The Sammy cup and handy to the upside on the stochastics RSI. Look like they want to blast. And that's definitely a cup and handle there on the Stokes. Just like you can get double bottoms, inverted head and shoulders. Bit of a cup and handle there on the stochastics RSI. Could that get us a bit of a move? You never know. MACD wants to take a bit of a turn. Everything looks like we may get a reversal, but look, bounce, resistance. So you can see, look, previous bounce. And so you got to flip this. And right now we couldn't flip that. And if you can't flip that, it's basically a bearish retest and you're headed lower. Let's take a look at our 4-hour time frame. That suggests that we are headed lower too as well. And you can say we're in this bear flag. And the bear flag is going to break to the downside, possibly down to about 53,000, right? And the 4-hour could take us down. There's a little bit of support now, a local support zone at 56,850, right? The 1-hour time frame also got the pump, but did not get back above resistance. So we got a nice pump today on that 30-minute And let's get back to the 30-minute. That's going to be kind of our sniper time frame. So we got a nice pump to the 30-minute. But did we, So here's the deal. I'd bring this up to here. You can see resistance. A little bit of resistance there. Bounced on out. Okay. We're on the 21-day moving average. They're pretty tight. The 15-minute has some bearish div here, right, in a way. Not too good, and it's kind of a Bart Simpson. And we hit strong resistance for Bitcoin. All right. Oh, snap. Didn't even realize there's a live. The daily really needs to get back above the 200. Amen. Yeah. Crow chain pulling like the chain should. Gonna melt faces like the California desert sun has melted me. 117 in the Cali hot desert, baby. Ooh-wee. There's no other person with your strategy you gave me. Thank you, Sammy. That 200 SMA. Stoke RSI is gains. Love you, brother. All day, baby. All day. Printing that money, man. Printing that money. Nobody prints like the lifer, baby. Some people print pretty well, but nobody prints just quite like it. And that's true. We print uniquely, right? Strong bull divs on the daily. Yo, lifer, you might have covered this, but Mexi does work even with a VPN, yeah. Here in Cali on my ranch by the ocean. Here, LA, 75 degrees all day. That sounds beautiful. The ranch by the ocean in Cali? Can I come say hi? Am I allowed to maybe just drop by? Can me and my Ferragamos maybe touch your soil and hang out for a little bit? Like on your ranch in California near the ocean? Man, sounds like kind of like an exclusive lifestyle that I would like to be a part of. So let me know. It's amazing how you could make money on off days. And Sam, it blows my mind. You're a true pro, man. I love you, brother. Shout out to Clove Hitch Corey. Amen. Amen. Thank you, Clove Hitch Corey, man. Hey, man, I gotta keep up with the outfits, man. You know what I mean? I gotta make $400 a day at least, 7 days a week, man. His pronouns are ye and hi. His pronouns are gains and itis. You are always welcome, lifer. The kids would love all the wild peacocks on the property. Amen. I'm coming, dude. I'm coming. Octa never dipped, not even a flinch. I know, right? Octa's staying strong. Let's talk about Octa. Thank you for putting that on the radar. You're the man, by the way. So 15-minute, we want to see if it can stay above its 200 MA. We want to see if it can, even if it bounces around, So I'm seeing some indecision, though. Like the market's, it's kind of like a shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? Do we come down and make a right shoulder? Let's take a look at the 7. It looks like I need some smaller time frame sauce here. Definitely a bearish div now, though, for sure. That spooked me, too, after that spike up to 58.7, 58.477, and I got out. I got out of the trade. I just figured, when you make money while you're at the beach, don't push it, Sam. Don't be greedy. And that's exactly what I said, and I'm happy I did. Look, we did slip 58,000, and I would have lost more gains. So I'm happy that I did what I did. This looks like it's coming down, and it looks like it's going to come down through the gap all the way back down to about 56,007, 56,008. Just doesn't look amazing. What I'm getting from it, most likely what I'm getting from this is this rising wedge here like so. And rising wedges break down 68% of the time. And it looks like we're about to break down and possibly test either this 200. But for me, it just looks like we're definitely going to come and test 56,970 for Bitcoin. That level just looks most likely to be, but you never know. Now, could we break out parabolically and go to the upside? There's a chance. But look, you lost the 200 SMA on the 1 minute, which would tell me it would be time to short for the rest of the night. So if we go into the perpetual right now and we take a look at the 1, and what a beautiful night it was, it tells us just to open up a short here on the 1 minute and take it all the way to the downside. Stop loss on the other side of the 2 and just take this puppy back. Looks like it would go right through this gap that it went through already. So I may pinpoint this. I may just set a short and go to sleep tonight and wake up to gains again. It'll be 57,335, right? Stop loss would be 58,118. I could set a tiny trade like 60 for 200. And if I wake up to like another couple $100. I just keep hitting, so I'm kind of like, wow. I feel like I'm printing money at this point out the house, you know? But that tells me it's likely to happen because we're below the 200 SMA. 3.5 risk-reward ratio. Anyway, just something to think about. It doesn't look too good. 5 minutes, 7 minutes. So everything was cooking a second ago, and we got cooked all the way to the upside, and then blah, right? Looks like the 7 minute is going to come retest this 200. I'm looking for price to come on back down. I don't know. They got a different story, though. Look at this. Let's take a look at what Bookmap. Bookmap says we want 60K, and we want it now. So Bookmap showing signs of 60,000, which is pretty interesting. But he also has liquidity back down at 51 and 52, but that's a little too far away. So Bookmap says that we go higher. Bookmap says that we go all the way to 60,000. They got big red up at 60,000. So Bookmap says no. We're going to go parabolically up into this level. You see? So let me bring this down. Bookmap says somehow, some way, you're going to get the pump. You're going to get the pump. The 7 minute is going to stay inside the flag. Wow, this is interesting. So tonight, it's up to the 7 minute in the next hour, really. I'm telling you right now, I know you don't believe me, but this is it. This is it. And I'm showing you exactly what to do. Crypto belly baga, shojioma, crypto belly. Here it is, man. And really, thank you so much for those flowers you sent my wife. That made her day. Very, very nice of you. Parabolic. Yeah, parabolico. This is how it feels before the takeoff. This cycle has been weird. This has been one of the this cycle has made a true man out of and woman out of people. A true lifer out of people. Like, if you made it through this cycle this far, you're a true lifer. They shook out so many weak hands. Even people that listen to me, that were behind me, that under my tutelage, they shook them out. They shook out lifers, man. If they can shake out a lifer, think about how many regular people they shook out of this market. So, you know, Bookmap says that we're going to get a pump to the upside and to forget about any chance that we're going to dump. Bookmap says we're going to go all the way to 60,000 and eat the liquidity above us. And that's what's happening. And nothing more, nothing less. This previous resistance will become support. We'll get a bounce. We will not lose the 200 SMA. We will continue to pump. And so tonight, either this flag breaks on out or you dump down to the 200 SMA. I think the bearish divergence says we're going to, but now we're holding the point of control. Tighter moving averages. If we get a bounce here, and honestly, usually I would be more on the TA, but Bookmap is really adamant about 60,000 liquidity. Tells me that that's likely going to happen, but you never know. So I got indecision. If I didn't know Bookmap at all, I'd say just short it because you're below the 200 SMA on the 1 minute time frame. So look, I'll open up a short and see what happens. I'll have some guts. I'll live by the money. I'll live and die by the money. All right. But, you know, the stochastics are getting high. You're below the 200 SMA. We should get a dump. But only time will tell. Now we're getting a pump, see? I can't watch. Bitcoin will go up or down. Stay tuned the next time on the Crypto Liver Show. Sam, brother, do you see the bullish divergence on the daily? Looks promising. Time to open up a demo trade with Sam so I can learn. Hey. So unless the 1 minute gets back above, and I mean the 1 minute has some bullish div now though. It kind of does. Look at that. There's a lot of buy pressure here. I really don't like this short right now. I don't know. I'm indecisive on it. Let's see how the stochastics reset. If the stochastics reset, I should get some love to the downside here. We're below the 200, so we should dump. You know what I'm saying? Like, this should dump down. Give me 57.7, something like that. Okay, there we go. Look, we got the dump, baby. Sammy, man. Sammy did it again, man. Yo, how did I do that, man? Called myself a little short there. Not a big one, though. Look, nothing really happened there. Oh, wow. It's going deep now, though. There we go. I'm moving my stop loss to break even already. Look at that. I can't lose the trade now. I'm covered. I'm already in coverage. Show me the salami, baby. And let that thing cook. Look, it was the high stochastic that got me a little into this. Did anyone take the gain? Too many people just can't understand. Get off me. I'm just going to take tiny gains, though. I'll probably take 25 bucks. Yeah, see? Well, let's see. Let me see. I personally didn't really want to be in a trade anymore tonight. I already made a bunch of gains. I'm not trying to push it. I can't believe I made an extra 20 bucks. Like, I'm just like, wow. Look, if I didn't sell that, it would have come right back. See, I knew. I had a feeling, man. You get these weird trading instincts. I can't explain them. You become a trading whisperer. You know what I mean? Whenever there's unique quick dumps, I always wait till the stock reset 1 minute and buy back up when it marks the quick run up. Yeah. Learning. First time I saw one of your streams, I thought you was a stock guy and you called a perfect long squeeze on Bitcoin. Amen. I mean, I traded stocks for a long time. I am a stock guy. I traded the stock market for 10 years, man. I traded gold and silver. I did a lot of different things in my lifetime. Look at that short, though. Send it. Look, I get re-enter the short again now. Nah, I don't know. Yeah, look, I'm telling you, it looks like we're going to get pounded here. Below the 200, you usually get a dumpage. Whenever that breaks, and it could be a long dumpage, too. Then you're going for the 5 minute 200. Usually you'll go to it. So likely you're going to dump right to that 5 minute. Yeah, I'll take that trade to the 5 minute 200. It's so likely like we're going to do it. Jump right down to that yellow line. Come on, baby. Lose the point of control and then just continue to come on down. That will take us to 57.4. And I would like to see some liquidity down there. I don't see any, but it's so, just like I pumped this morning, the 30 minute to the 200. This is the same trade. We're just doing it upside down, right? Earlier today, we took this up to the 200. Now we're going to take this down to the... It's the same trade that we made, but it just flipped the other way, right? You see how we do this? And you just can't live in fear. It's about not living in fear. At the end of the day, it's about you. It's not about the charts. The whole time you thought it was you, but it was always the chart. You thought it was the charts. It was always you. It was always you. You know what I mean? The Stokes are low, but you know what? Whenever we get away from the 200, I don't really care about the Stokes because you'll flush, right? And remember, look at the 1 hour's about to dump on you. So the bigger time frame looks like it's going to crush that other time. It may not let that one come back up. This guy says, so bulk map is faulty. Whatever you want, man. I don't know, man. Whatever you think. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Whatever you say. Nah, nothing. The point of the story is nothing is guaranteed in life. You know what I mean? You got to be able to kind of be the last thing in your mind that makes sense, you know? That makes it make sense. So we're flat here, but I'm just telling you, so likely we're going to get this drop to here, especially when the 21 curves like that. Come on, baby. I've seen it so many times. Show me the love. It is weird to see all that liquidity, though, for Bookmap. So I wouldn't be surprised if I become part of the short squeeze party there and get squeezed up. Let's take a look at Solana and see if there's any super chats out there for each and every one of y'all. Bookmap is not a crystal ball, but darn close. Yeah, they won't show you the market maker's orders. Nobody sees those. Bookmap is a game changer. But let's keep it a secret. Bad traders can't understand. Yeah, don't tell them what's going on. Wow, so Solana pumped all the way back to 144? Are you kidding me? shoulder, head, right shoulder. I mean, every time, right? And then it got back above the 1 hour 200. So you're just looking really for Solana to keep the 15-minute 200. Last time it did that, it had a couple little nice pumps. This could be halfway through its initial pump back to 158. I just tried to short turbo. Amen. Yeah. We're rich, baby. We did it, man. Shout out to Fib Sniper, bro. I love you. Dang, son. Soul just working out when nobody's looking. Soul doing damage, bro. And I love Soul. Thank you, Olaf. That was rumors of BlackRock also filing for Soul ETF. Yes, there was. And that was getting it extra saucy. It really was. Now the 1 minute wants to bounce back, but not getting much love. You see that? Kind of like rollover stock. Yeah, a little bit of bullish div though. Yeah, dude, should just end this trade and then wait for price action to get back above the 200. If it does, take it. If not, don't trade anything at all. You know what I mean? I don't personally like shorting BTC at all. It's just that 5 minute, man. And the way that 200 is there. But it could bounce and then it's holding the point of control now. I think I'm going to take a huge loss right now, $14, and end my entire trade career. You know? I don't know, lackluster, lack of volume. It's a tough call. You know, 30-minute wants to pump to the 200. That looks pretty good. Ooh, look at the 5 seconds breaking the 200. Is that a bullish? That could be bullish. It really is, just like anything. That's the beginning of all the most bullish signs in the world. Crazy bro win XRP. He's thinking crazy. It chose Bitcoin's life as human. Yeah, but watch this dump and I'll win the trade though. All right. So we haven't lost the trade yet, man. Don't count me out. $5, bro. All right. I still may snipe, and then we may just come down and I'll snipe it. It's just, come to my 200 and show people this amazing strategy and watch it play out. 57,360. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, not dead yet. Yep. Never count a lifer out. Never count a lifer out. We always hanging on by a tread. By a tread and ins. Oh, back above the 200 could get the pump now. I'm out. Abort. How much are we risking on the trade? I'm only risking $68, so I went really small ball on this one. I don't like to give my gains away. $51. $14. Let it ride, Sammy. After watching Sammy and being in the trading group for over 6 months, I have learned to pay myself. Amen. I love it. It will happen. Manifesting. Belly, I love you, bro. I love you, man. Tell them first to build more orders, then shorts, high leverage, liquidation towards 60K. You never know. Thanks, Sam. I really appreciate you. I got to join the coaching. I can't figure out the 200 and how to know if it's holding. You just got to do it every day, man, on a demo account until you get comfortable with it, understand what we're doing. I don't even think you fully get what's going on, but you'll get it. If you let yourself get it, you'll get it. Don't fight it. Be a part of the journey, and you'll be in amazing hands with the lifers, man. I got a whole group. I got 1,000 people here waiting for you to show you so much and change your life, man. Over 1,000 people waiting for you. And they're going to give you everything they have to show you how to make gains. All right. And there we have it. Actually, you could extend this. This went even higher, bro. This went all the way to the yellow line above it. See, you could I would switch this for a nicer chart, but you guys are on the right path here. But we definitely got paid Shout out to my staff who's seen this is my call this morning. That's where we ended up. We ended up getting above that line to the upside, man. Use the 30-minute, use the 33, use the 30-minute, and you'll be on point, you know? Lifer, I joined the Lifer. I just want life-changing long gains, bro. Trying to pay a house straight cash. Amen. I'm like a crab clutching a rocks and ocean waves crash on me, not letting go for nothing. Amen. I'm the same. 6 months till I took it, learned to pay himself. It looks like I'm going to need another 3 months. I lost 3K on Friday. Now I've collected almost 3K again. That's how it is as a trader. Amen. Wow, you like to lose a lot and gain a lot, though. That's crazy. See, I didn't lose no 3K on Friday. That's not me. Best group of the world. Everyone is great, kind, and shares knowledge. Amen. I love that. Lifer, if I join the Lifer, I just want life-changing long gains, bro. Trying to pay out. You'll get there, man. You will. You will. Dude, Billy already manifested my win, so it's already going to happen. So, Billy, thank you for the gains. I can't wait to take them. This will be up 50, 60 bucks in a little while, and I'm going to take the gain. It's going to happen because Billy already said that it happened. So, thank you, Billy. Crypto Billy, thank you. I should already spend the money before I even made the trade. No, I'm just anyway, it's good to be alive. Shout out to everybody here. Did you see Ton? Are you listening to Ton? Look at my idea here with Solana in a giant cup and handle on the 8-hour, on the daily, on the 3-day. And I say it's only a matter of time till Solana gets busy. Busy. And yes, kind of shoulder, head, shoulder, but it's still bouncing nicely. Let it get tight. And I see Solana at 357 somewhere by December. All right. Lifer always wins no matter what happens. Rave Song Records in the house. Tuning in late. What's up, everybody? Shout out to all my peoples, man. And lovers. Ooh, now we're down $20. I'm going to have to end my trading career here. It's over. I ruined myself. I should never have done it like this. No, I'm just... Can I take high leverage classes? I'm doing okay with 40X, but I'm willing to always learn other options as well. I would jump on in, man. Full disclosure, didn't take that one, but I always root for Sammy, man. As he jumps out. I didn't take the trade, though. Hey. You have to now, Crypto Billy. You have to. All right. Now you are forced to take the trade. No. Now, if we flip the 1 hour, I'm going to have to take that's going to be my sauce, right? I'll flip long real quick. Resistance right there. Fire. Almost stopped me out too. Look, my stop was right there. Right near the wick. There's wickage in the air. Strong wickage in the air. Well, we did break the 1 second 200 and we were gone. And we broke the 5 second 200. And now we're coming for the 30 second. If we break that, we're going to rip to the 1 minute. And then that's how I learned. See, I took these 4 time frames and then learned how to use these 4 time frames and these 4 time frames and these 4. You get it? And it was all a succession move from one move to the next. All right. Oh, man, look. Crypto Billy told me I already won the trade. So, like, it's already going to dump. That was just to pull everybody back in to get more shorts so they could flush. They're going to flush you. Lifer wins again. Straight flush. Crypto Billy said it was already going to happen. Leverage has nothing to do with the percentage of gains you make of the trade. Please double trade so you understand what you're doing. Shout out to Clove Hitch Corey. I just went long on Sol, bouncing off nice on the 5-minute, 200 MA, and the RSI pointing up, so I jumped in. Interesting. If Sol bumps, then you think Bitcoin will pump. Crypto Billy is right. Shorts are going to win tonight. Jay Doolin. My portfolio went down. I added to it. Now I'm in gains, baby. We're in the year 3 of a 4-year cycle. Throw your emotions away and trust the cycle. Amen. We got a big cycle coming our way. Your channel in the AM is my morning motivation. Thanks for dedication and patience. You rock. Amen. Waiting, adding 2 mil now. Wow, that's a lot of money. So now we're making this tight channel. We got resistance on the local time frame at 58,000. We'd have to break back above 58K to remain bullish. I'm down a whopping $16. I think I'm going to end my trading career today. All right. Pull back to the 0.5 fib out of the move and then go to 60. What do you think of Zeta Markets? I think it's hot. XODEX moved well again. Next week should get crazy. XODEX. XODEX. XODEX in the house. Oh, wow. It bounced off the lows. Interesting. And how small is that going to be in a couple 100%? Yeah, it's 100% gains there. Now you'd be looking for that, like that cup and handle, right? Looking for that Fibonacci pull back down to the 618. That would be kind of golden, right? Shout out to our channel sponsors, I Trust Capital, Decrypted.tax, and Houdini Swamp. We appreciate you. We thank you so much, and we care about you. It's very, very nice. Wait, what happened? What happened to my That's weird. Hold on. It's so strange. I'll get that back up like first thing in the morning. Why did it disappear though? All right, I'll figure it out later, but we'll get that. Must have been during the crazy morning nonsense. Anyway, shout out to Decrypted.tax, man. Dude, Crypto Billy is a soothsayer, man. And when he says you win, you win. That's it. That's it. That's it. For the record, he's not in, but he says it's going to win, you know. I'm just messing with you, Crypto Billy. I just placed my orders in your stop loss. Shout out to you, man. I hope you get there, brother. I hope you get all of my $40. I hope that big order gets filled for you there, buddy. I hope that $40 order takes you home, man. You big baller, you. Thanks for all you do for us, for the community, so much. This guy's such a freaking loser, man. I'm sorry, I had to say it. Like, Sam's exit liquidity. I can't even fill my truck. I know, right? So do I break down at break even, or do we continue to pump? Show us the love, man. The 5 minute should come to the 200. That's what we're really, really going for. Close the gap. Close the gap. Close the gap. You lost the VRVP. Close the gap. Just a little bit of a pump with a turn down. Wow, the vicious bounce back up again. Look at this craziness. And then look at that. That was a bearish retest like that. Wow, look at that candle. That was a crazy candle. Oh, we printing. We printing. Crypto Billy says it's in. He says we win, man. He says we win and I collect my gains. We printing. We printing like San Quentin. Bang. Bang, bang. Where's your exit liquidity? Can we get it though? Can we get it? Can we pull it on down?
Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Sham's trying to pull a long here. No, I short. Yeah, Sham's trying to trade short. Short's when you got a share and you sell it before you have it. You got to buy it back to cover the share. All right? Sam's shorting Bitcoin right now. Everyone says he's going to lose. I think he's going to win.
This has been a crazy trade right now, right? Come on, baby. In the 5 minutes should be coming down to the 200 MA. That's what I backtested. See, I got years of backtesting this. Come on, baby. Show me what you got. Oh, they keep trying to buy into it. But there should be that lack of volume. Oof. $7 wins. I'll take a $7 win right now. That was still a win. If I close it now, Crypto Billy's 100% correct. All right. Oh, I'm shaving that stop loss though. Now I can only lose like what, $10 or something? $16, right? I'd want to be right just to be right here. All right. I don't care if it's $2. Show me your exit liquidity. You are my exit liquidity. $40. I'm taking you out. That's it. Sam, how low can we go on the daily? Like, we'll see the all-time high. I'm not the hero. Pretty easy. Crypto Billy is the hero, though. That's what you don't understand. He's the man, the myth, the legend with the plan in hand. You know what I mean? Flush him, Sammy. Send it. I don't know why they haven't flushed yet. They got to flush. They're about to flush. Rah. Rah. And get that exit liquidity to the downside. Timber. Man, today was the day, bro. I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna get out of break even, so you can't say I lost money. Look, I'm gonna end all this nonsense and get out with a. I'll get out with a buck. I won a buck on you. I won the trade. There's a little bullish div there. Still looks lackluster, man. Honestly, that being in that trade was annoying. You ever been in a trade that's more annoying than just not being in the trade? Just like, it doesn't matter. Like, you'd rather just not be in the trade than even make money at that point. It's just like, so it's just that trade was one of those trades. Like, it looked like we were going to get it, and then we didn't, you know. It's kind of flagging out now. Right? You've had all this time. Show me the time. You've had all this time to make it happen, Bitcoin, but you didn't do it. No. I've been in trades that make me want to jump off. A great way to stay in touch with your life or community. A win is a win. You guys are funny, man. Not that innocent. A win is a win, man. Shout out to Alex O Crypto in the house, man. God bless you, brother. Thank you for being here. I love you, man. You're hilarious, bro. I see you on Twitter all the time. You speak to me, I speak to you. I appreciate you, brother. Hope everything's going well. Manifested a freaking dollar. Hey, man, a win is a win. A win is a win. I need a max win, though. I need a max. Maxi has such low fees on any other exchange. It would have been too low. Exactly. I like that you just said that, pinpointing the point of why Maxi is amazing. If you don't want to go to Mexi, we got Blowfin for you, and the link is pinned in the comments up here. But you know, it just may not be your thing. Winning. Wait, it's on record. You're funny, man. What's up, my lifers? It would have been nice though. I want to take gains with you guys, but it's hard when price action moves ranges $100 back and forth in the last 25 minutes. All right. I was using 77x leverage and could barely get $9 out of the. Finally got off work and barely made it, my dudes. But we're still here, Jamal. We are still here, man. We love you, brother. And we would never go anywhere without you, man. You know that. With Mexi, can you have two sell orders on Bitcoin at the same time, or does it mix them? It will mix them. You got to change them up. God bless you, Lifer. Appreciate you, homie. God bless you, Alex O Crypto. And everyone, check out Alex O Crypto. He's there every single day grinding, just like I am, putting it out there. My man right here, Alex O Crypto. He's out there, giver's gain every single day, man. God bless you, brother. That's his YouTube channel. Check him out. He's one of the streamers out here doing his thing for the cryptocurrency community. Shout out to PS5 Future of Gaming. Shout out to Crypto Bellico. Shout out to Robert Rossiter. Robert Rossiter. That's a good name. The old Rossiter family. I met them back on the hill, you know. Oh, yeah. Kid had a blue truck and an old course for it. No, he didn't, but it just, you know, he threw that ball hard. And so Anyway, let me get back into the out of the nonsense. I am just a little drunk on the gain still from today. Is there a fight tonight? Is Diaz fighting tonight? I learned the hard way about Blowfin's liquidation levels. Instead of 2% on max fee, Blowfin cut me at 0.45. Yikes. I like to put a big trade on low leverage and then smaller trades at high leverage to ride the bumps. Amen. And how you do that, use the Coin M and USDT Futures M, so you can have one on the BTC USD trade long term and one, I'll show you. Right? So you'll switch here to Coin M, hit Bitcoin Perpetual, you'll hit transfer down here and you'll send Bitcoin in here. I have 0.03 Bitcoin, you see that? Then you'll use that to trade one long term or whatever you want. And then you can also, just showing you the options, you do whatever makes you happy. I'm not a financial advisor. And then the other option here is to go to Futures USDT, and then there you can do the smaller ones. So that's what I do. I open up my bigger trades on the USD, All right. Thank you, kind sirs. We love you, Jamal. You're the man, dude. You're one of the awesome people here. One of the long-term supporters of the lifers, man. You're a lifer for life, bro. Shout out to Abdominal Breadman Spaghetti Regnetti, too. He's awesome, bro. He's one of the long-term OG lifers. Shout out to Armstrong 33. I'm using 33, winning 9 out of 15 on Bitcoin USD for more Bitcoin. I love it. Ball, still listening for the city bus of Montreal, East Coast in the house, man. He's on that city bus, bro. I trade so much, I get 100 to 200 tickets a day. It's so awesome, right? Opening up along the 200 SMA on the daily, it might touch. I think that short's still going to play out. That 5-minute may careen down to the 200. I think I'm going to come back at it again. I feel like to make Billy proud, I got to win the short or he's not going to be proud of me, So if I don't win the short, Billy it's just not going to be good enough for Billy. So I'm going to have to make it happen. $100 for 400 on the short. Could be a sweet sauce. Quit flopping and groping and shorted. Jay Doolin, don't tell me what to do. I don't like that. All right? You can tell Crypto Face about the gropping and floping over here. He made it up. That's his thing. You know what I mean? Shout out to Crypto Face's Chileno. I'm actually really his. I don't know what it is, man, but I'm kind of like, I got this like obsession with his chameleon, man. I think it's cool. I want one. The way they move, the way they kind of look around. Little hands. I like that. I think that's funny. Looks like we might be making a right shoulder on the one Menudo. Maria Menudo. I mean, you think that's the shoulder, that's the head, that's the right shoulder. But what I'm telling you is that's the head and shoulder pattern to the downside. And we're going down. When I finally short it and I finally win and you say, ah ha ha, ha 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 ha. All right. And I tell you no. How dare you talk to me like that? All right. And that's how it goes. All right. Bull flag, we going up. No, it's bigger. Maxi won't let you trade unless you. Every coin went red except for Soul, baby. Amen. Amen. I got mixed signals on the move today. I really do. The bearish div, though, did play out. Bearishly retesting the point of control. Playing it. We've been sitting in the same place now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50 minutes. That's 10 5-minute candles. It's sideways. New daily is printing flashing red. Yeah, check total market gap. They retreat 50% now. It breaks 50 minutes. We go down to 1.9. I'm in the short again. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. I want it and I need it. Crypto Billy won't be proud of me if I don't win the short, man. I gotta show them that I'm a man of my word, man. I gotta show them that I can pull through no matter what, that I can make it happen. And if I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna win this short. EGLD looking good, really? That's one of the only coins I've seen win anything. Big head and shoulder, Sam. Just start on the right shoulder. Maybe if it starts to pump a little bit. You mean a inverted, bro? You got to tell me, a big head and shoulder is a dump. Okay? An inverted head and shoulder is a pump. So I don't know what you're saying to me. I don't know what you're saying to me, but it doesn't sound right. All right? And this is for your entertainment today. It's Saturday night. I'm having some fun. We won some gains. If I give a little back here and there, playing around, it's okay. Don't do it to me, though. Oh, no, I'm getting a little too crazy here. I think I really am. The 1 hour wants to take you so far down in the dumps, it's ridiculous. My 30-minute, it was all about the 30-minute. Now, wait. Yeah, it was all about the 30-minute breaking above the 200. And then I saw that the 21 was crossing that. I wanted to front run that, and that said we were going to pump so hard that nobody cared. Oh, yeah, so this is what we were. We were at this idea here that the 7-minute could pump before I was getting crazy. The 7 minutes about to pump so hard. Look at that. Curve in the stochastics. I'm off the short. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? This is insane. No. Nothing makes sense right now. I heard we call trade gold on crypto, Sam. What's called in crypto? I don't know what you're saying, but shout out to you, man. Yeah. You're short a big one. I'm looking on Sol. I might be on the wrong side of the fence on this one. I mean, you might be winning. I might be winning. We don't know yet. That's a head and shoulder pattern to me, though. 1, 2, 3. Dump to me. Overbought. Stochastic C. Pay me, please. But then that 7-minute looks like it could get a bounce too. I'll be honest, I'm getting some mixed signals here. And that's why I usually don't trade Saturday nights. It's tough. It's very, very, very tough. 7-minute wants to bounce. Shoulder, head to shoulder on the 1 though. Almost too far away from the 200 to dump at this point, though. It's like dump to here and then bounce back. They just don't have liquidity enough to take it either way, right? $11. I mean, it's a big trade. It's a $54,000 trade. At least take me down to the bottom of the trend line. I could take 50, 60 bucks off of that trade. Call it a day. Show me your money. Show me your money. When you read live testimonies, you'll know in the right place, especially tonight. Can you make a diamond on the 1 minute? Can you make a diamond in your... The 50-minute, the 5 just looked good on Sol. I jumped in. I wouldn't trade that. Okay, it's gonna come down to the 200, bro. Dump. The 134. I'm bearish on all y'all. I'm bearish on this whole market. I'm bearish on everybody. That's a head and shoulder pattern. We're going to the downside. None of you know what you're talking about. I'm getting paid here. I'm showing Crypto Billy how to run a short game. Right? That's it. $37 on the short. Don't tell me different. I'll make my money back. Thank you very much. And I will not have you speak to me in that manner. How dare you talk to me like that? I'm just joking around, you know that, right? The algorithm's like, what is going on? Dude, I told Crypto Billy I would win, and I have to win. This time I'm going to win a little more. All right? I'm going to guarantee $20 now. $25 maybe even, Crypto Billy. I'm going to win a short if I have to. It's the last thing I did. Oh my gosh. I won the short. Watch it just that's gonna go. And that's just gonna fly. Oh! Thank God I sold. But this has been chopped, man. The fact that I even pulled $40 out of the market has been I made money while I sat here and made money. You guys watched me make money. So insane. I mean, if that's how hard it has to be, that's how hard it has to be, right? Oh my goodness. Honestly, can't tell you guys whether it's going to do. Usually I'm pretty good spot on with it, but I'm telling you, I'd watch the 7 minute. And to me, it's really all about this. Can this trend line, and if the trend line breaks up, it's like we don't have to jump in just sideways. Then we can long it tomorrow morning. But if it loses this, it's coming down. So it's kind of really, we're at a standstill here. We're going to find out what happens based on liquidity and volume. And I'd have to watch it for confirmation to take it either way. And I have no idea what they're going to do with Bitcoin. Almost looks like I could take the same short yet again. There's 100 or 300 and go back at it again. Now, I won't go. Now it looks more like a shoulder, head, right shoulder, and you got the low stochastics pointing out, right? Now you can close the gap. Wow, we've been at 57.9. We've really gone sideways the whole time, and I still was able to pinch out $30. Hey, I mean, that was the tip, right? Milk that cow, baby. Can't trade this chop. Makes me lose my mind, and it's a waste of time. Yeah, for sure. It's doing a dino smile pattern on the 1 minute equals bullish. A lot of indecision in the market. He says it's bullish on the dino. I mean, bing. It did just break out slightly. Look at that. That's a breakout. I'm going to long right now and just call it a day and show you guys how we do this and stop playing around with these shorts. All right. I'm going to get into a long and we're going to take it all the way to the upside. We're going to stop playing games. You know I'm messing around, right? Don't do anything I'm doing right now. I'm messing with you guys. I was on the beach all day. I'm delirious from the sun and from the gains. Send it, Sammy. That's what they call me. Sammy, send it. Yeah. I think I heard CryptoFace talking about a star candle on the 2-month chart, saying it was something that has never happened. Didn't quite understand it. Have you heard of anything like that? Oh, gosh. I mean, I'll take a look. You never know. Indecision, star doji, probably. Yeah. A lot of stuff has never happened for Bitcoin now, you know. Let's take a look at our stop loss is at 57,748, right? Wow, 100 for $1,000. Yeah, that's the plan. I mean, let's take it. Let's do $30 for $90, right? I mean, what's the worst that can happen? $49 for $50. What's the worst that can happen? You get liquidated for $49, honey. What can happen over here? Just take the trade. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't like to trade Saturday night. Don't tell me what to do over here. But it's crazy that we got the pump earlier today, you know? It's just been nuts. Obviously, I didn't want to short. I just jumped in along over here on a Saturday night because I'm out of my mind. Yeah, I ain't going to trade tonight as I open up a trade. Ain't going to long, but I ain't going to trade either over here. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow over here. I mean, I'll risk $15 for $100. I mean, that's amazing. $48 for $400. Like, what's the worst that can happen? You know what I mean? I wake up $400. I wake up down $40. I don't care. What I care? I don't give a dang. I never did. Let's see what happens. Maybe we get the pumpage, you know? I'll just let it sit lightly. It did break out. Look for the 1 minute to break the 200. If the 1 minute breaks the 200, we're gonna be in some gains. And the 30 minute was battling that 200. It looks like it may come back for more. If the 30 minute revisits the 200, we're gonna pump very, very hard right now, and the Stokes are gonna rip. So I think that long I placed is probably gonna pay off. Already in gain. Slight, very slight. Small trade comparative to the last few. Got a $500 gain today with your help. Gains, baby. Shout out to Chasing Dreams, making them money, man. I love that. I think the way you draw patterns and read the charts is beautiful. You make it look like it's supposed to be. Thank you, Brandon Ducker. I love that, man. It is supposed to be like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm an 80x long since 54.5. I love that. Why stop at 59? Take it to the all-time high, right? Now I'm not left trade of the weekend. Punt 10 soul into 100K market cap. Amen. Pronouns are gains and itis. Amen. Yeah. Christopher Walken's. What you think you're talking to? I put it over there. Why is everybody thinking I'm over there when I'm over here? Either you talking to me or you talking to me. See, my name's Matthew McConaughey says, love my Lincoln Time cars. Awesome stream here. Loving it here in Toronto, man. God bless you, bro. Been a pretty, price action has been amazing, but we woke up to gains as we came into the stream. And we sold into the $58,000 pump. If the 30 minute gets back above this 200, we're going to rip. We're going to Ripley, believe it or not. And we're going to rip up to 60,000. And Bookmap says that it wants 60K. So the closest and darkest liquidity is 60,000. So it would corroborate. So that's why I'm going to take the long. Like I just doubled down. So now it's a little bigger of a trade. Not a huge trade though. Still not risking a lot. But let's see. And I'm very close to the bone on the stop loss, as you can see. We're going for the breakout of the point of control and the pattern. 21 SMA. Get the move over here. We're about to break 58,000. We haven't done that in a minute. We've been kind of playing with that. Congratulations on your third bundle of joy from Trucker Crypto. And all of your accomplishments. Your journey is amazing to watch, and it feels like when you win, we all win. I love hearing that, man. Well, it is, man. You all put me here. It was 3 people watching me, and I got here because of each and every one of you. I really am the people's champ, man. I feel like, and you guys put me you guys got me here. And so thank you. Shout out to everybody that supports me along the way. Everyone that sends a super chat. $33 in chat revenue. That's amazing that you did that. You didn't have to do that. Blessings. Let's get the likes up to the watchers. I greatly appreciate that. You guys put me in a good mood. God bless you. You put me in a good mood, Chris Kelly. God bless you, man. That was one of my dad's good friends, Chris Kelly. Roy Moore, we love you, man. Armstrong 33, thank you. Kerwin Bowren, we love you, brother. Paul Wood, bang. And Brandon Ducker. I mean, you got to do whatever makes you happy, Brandon Ducker. You can start with to answer that question, you have to demo with small amounts, and then the demo with small amounts will start to kind of show you what's up. Look, now we're up the other way again. Like, we didn't lose a trade here today. We lost one for like $2. We won 2 for 14 or something like that. It was like, but that's a pretty clean breakout now. Could we get the continuation with the fall through? Would be nice. Bum, 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 bum. All right. 58,000 for Bitcoin, bouncing back up to the upside. The 7-minute looks like it's definitely going to get busy with the banana curve on the stochastics RSI. Bang, to the upside. All right. You calling it like a pro, Sammy. Shout out to Roy Moore. I love you, man. Thank you. Can we check copy? I mean, I do this every day. If anyone's a pro, it's me. I don't know what a pro is, right? They try to put pro as in like what they box it up as. Like, this guy's the one that we pick. It's like, this is the stock market pro guy, the one that the news gives you in stock market and Goldman Sachs. But like, I do this every single day. I hit these markets every single day. So like, even a guy that knows the market knows that I know the market. You know? Ain't a guy out there that doesn't trade finance that doesn't know I'm on it. We're here every single day, man. And I do get paid to do it. You know what I mean? YouTube pays me in chat and revenue. We got channel sponsors. We sell subscription services. We get paid lovely over here, man. We got a great business model. And we don't have to, you know, we don't have to show nothing. Getting paid is my forte each and every day. Yeah, we're in the money now, though. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a gain right there. If I take that, now I almost made like another $100 in the stream just sitting around. All right. But there's the pump to the upside, and I got in just in the nick of time. They call me Nick of Sammy because I always just get in at the nick of time. You know? You're not lagging no more. I know I was lagging. I figured it out. On Friday, I had done something stupid and the wrong setting was set. I've been taking medications for the ear, and I've been a little out of it recently, and it's been making me do some silly things. I've been acting erratically. I'm being honest. Like, I've been noticing, like, just weird. It's been weird. Past couple days have been a bit strange for me. And even there I am again, like, with that setting, clicking that setting. Like, I would never click that setting like that. Up 11%. There we go. Wish I had tripled down on that, quadrupled down, put what I had initially on that short. But I'm happy with the gain. And if I wake up to more gains, I wake up to more gains, baby. I'll shave that stop loss a little bit on both. Look, it's 2 positions now. Remember that. You're like, what happened there, you know? And you're like, what can I lose? You're like, well, the first one I could lose 33, and there must be the same on the second one about. Yeah, so I can only lose $60 now, which is pretty awesome. I protected the purse. I'll still be in gains if I fall asleep and this doesn't play out. If this pumps hard, I wake up to more money. That's all. And then I go back to the, drawing board, and we go gains again. Gainitis. Everybody, I'm going to jump on here for the night. I'll be back tomorrow morning doing it like we do. I know you want me here all night long, and I probably could kick it all night long, but I'm going to jump on out of here. I'm exhausted. I was with the kids all day. I really haven't sat down yet since I got home, and I'm going to finally actually take my coat off and rest. Once I got home, I had took the cooler apart, got the car ready, put the stuff in the dryer and stuff, all that fun stuff, right? What's up, bro? I think even Bitcoin is trying to make up its mind which way it wants to go. Now, I got it locked in, though, man. I got it locked in. Look at that pump to the upside. Now we're making some gains now. Like, now I'm willing to bring the stop loss. Like, look, now I'm going to definitely take $75 off the table. $60. That was a huge pump, bro. So it took one off the table. You see that? So one trade came off. I realized $25, and I'll let the rest cook. But look, I called it again with the entry, and then we got the pump. You know what he says about it? To leave it, he's about to do about 15 more minutes. Yeah, riding this puppy to 58,450. I love you guys. You guys don't stop, man. I love it. Another one in the books, and there we go, another trade. So look, I just sat here scalping, and we won 53, 14, lost 2, lost 18, and then took the 388. I mean, it's just all about just adding to the portfolio, man. Look, that thing's going to moon now. Look at that thing. Ooh. And we got the liquidity all the way at 60,000. Oh my God, this thing's getting crazy. Is that the 1 minute? The 5 minute? The 5 minute, oh wow, we just got lit. Look at that. Man, that's what happens, right? When you listen to the lifer. Wow. 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 Who here just made some gains, man? Bang, bang, bang. Who here just made some gains with the lifer on this live stream? I didn't expect any of this to happen. I'm super happy, man. This is so funny. It's going for that higher high, baby. I'm in the green, been in the gains all day. Shout out to Roy and more. And more gains coming our way, man. That's where we already sold earlier today in the last trade, around 58.2. Hoppy super chat, please. Hoppy's hot. We went over it earlier this morning. I love it. It's going to continue to pump. Is that good enough? It's just hot in here. I see Hoppy continue to pump, man. Can you look at T-Cat on tone? Amen. T-Cat on tone. And take your money quick on the weekends. You know, these pumps go up and down fast. Tone Cat. Wow, that thing is booming. You aren't kidding. Look at that thing. Gone. No lock liquidity, though. Kind of sketches me out, but maybe they can't see it. But wow, that thing is blasted. Maybe something hot. You might have picked a winner there. Wow, we just went to 58,300 basically, and then got rejected back down. Too far from the 21. We'll have to come back down. I could do this all night, everybody. I need to stop. I could literally do this for 24 hours straight. It would never stop, and I could find another one, and this and that, and we got check. And we could literally make money for literally to the end of time. All right. Okay, everybody, I love you. I appreciate you, and I'm going to jump on out of here for the day. I just saw something weird going on. That's so cool, Jimmy and Mo. I love that, Jimmy. Lysergic Jimmy. Lysergic Jimmy, man. Livers out. Yeah, we did it, man. We showed you how we ran this. And we got the pump off the 7, which means we might consolidate further up and then get the bigger move to the upside. That tells us we may still, we defied that we held support at 57,000, and we could start to kind of consolidate and get the parabolic move on out. Jump into the trading group now. I've been there for 9 months now. Zero regrets. I love that. I love that. Okay, please, lover, do you think Bitcoin is topped, or are we still going to all-time highs? I believe we're going all the way, baby, but you never know. We'll take it one day at a time. I love you all. I'll be back tomorrow morning for more fun in the sun with Sam Price in Florida, baby. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Crypto Lifers over now. If you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. God bless you. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. If you want to join the group, just go to cryptolifer.com, and it will show you how to do that. Just connect, and it is in Discord.